Hi my beautiful friends, it's Mary. In this video we want to play with our Play-Dohs and we want to make some shapes with our blue, brown, yellow, another shade of blue, pink and orange Play-Dohs. So the shapes that we have a ghost, we have an elephant that you can see here, we have a lion, a little chick, we have the rocking horse, and we have the rabbit. Okay, so let's start. Here is our blue rabbit. Now let's use our lighter blue Play-Doh. Let's make our rocking horse. Here is our blue rocking horse. Now let's use the brown Play-Doh and we want to make our lion. Yay! We have a brown lion here. Look at that. Now let's use our orange Play-Doh to make a chick. We have our little orange chick. For making the elephant, let's use the pink Play-Doh. Here is our beautiful pink elephant. Now I'm gonna use my yellow Play-Doh to make a little ghost. Boo! Here is our little ghost. Alright my beautiful friends, today in this video we made a ghost, a yellow ghost, we made an orange chick, we made a pink elephant, a brown lion, a light blue rocking horse, and a darker blue rabbit. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye!